Here in Wisconsin, we don't just build for today. We're building for tomorrow. But too often, the process fails you. Traditional construction has too many contracts, no accountability. And when your community's future is on the ballot, the stakes are even higher. Performance Services is different. Our design-build approach means one partner, one contract. No change orders, no surprises, no finger pointing. We take sole accountability so you can stay focused on what matters. And when it's time for your community to decide, we're there. We help you build the support before we build the building. We can do that because we have the full team right here in Wisconsin. Master planning, community engagement, design, construction management, guaranteed performance. We use local partners, keeping the work at home, because we are Wisconsin. From the northern forests and lakes to southern farmland, in cities and towns statewide, we're helping school districts build their future with spaces that are always on time, on budget, and built to last. Because these aren't just buildings, they're promises to your students, your staff, your community, and our future. Let's build something that lasts together.